All right, everyone. Here is a Sharperimage Spin 12 oscillating table fan. This is yet another Vornado made Sharperimage fan. Vornado has been killing it with this whole sort of Sharperimage partnership. And once again, that just proves that theory even more with this fan. I don't know how this whole sort of Vornado Sharperimage brand came together, but it works. And this fan proves it. So, this is a fan that I just really wanted to get just to see how it was. And after being so surprised with the other Sharperimage made Vornados or whatever, figured I'd get this too. So there's a Spin 10 and there's a Spin 12. The Spin 10 is the smaller brother of this fan. The Spin 12 is the one that you see here. This one, of course, does have the remote control, where you can control the speeds, the on and off, and the oscillation. But for me, for a table fan, that's not really something I need. But this is what it looks like in the front. It does tilt. And it's this nice matte black plastic. It's not glossy, which I love. I don't like glossy plastic. It's got a little carrying handle, but I'm probably just gonna do that just to support it together. Here's the back once again, and you can see the little subtle Vornado hints. Vornado is headquartered in Kansas, so that's why it says designed in Kansas. Made in China. Spin 12, and it's got these nice little orange, gray, and black vibes all around the fan. I really like it. It seems to be a common thing that Sharperimage is doing with the whole sort of orange and gray sort of designs on their products now, which I really like. I mean, it's just unexpected. It's got touch sensitive controls. It's got 3 speeds. Now this fan actually uses a DC brushless motor, which was another reason why I bought it. If it had an AC motor, I wouldn't have bought it at all, but DC, I'm absolutely gonna buy it. And there's everything at the bottom. You can see where it says Vornado. It was made in November of 2020. Spin 12, 24 volts. And overall, I mean, it's a well-rounded fan. Vornado has really stepped out of their comfort zone with making actual fans, since they are typically known for making air circulators, and this is definitely the opposite of that. But it works. It's a very genius fan. The design is very simple. And, yeah, so it has 3 speeds, as I mentioned. I do wish it had more than 3 speeds, since it is a DC motor. It definitely could handle that, but that's okay. So we'll go ahead and start it off on the low setting first. Put oscillation on too. Now this fan creates some wonderful white noise. I really like the way this one sounds, and it's actually really strong. I mean, it's not spinning very fast, but it's definitely kicking out a lot of air. Here's medium. Here's high. And the airflow is absolutely impressive on this thing. I can't get over that. really good. And another thing, from the pictures, I thought that this grill does not come apart, and this fan was just kind of all put together and you couldn't take it apart. But there's some screws on the back that you unscrew, and the actual front grill comes off, which is even better. And that's really all there is to it. So we'll just shut it off there. Overall, I absolutely love this fan so far. I've definitely been using it quite a bit, and it seems to be a really well-rounded fan. I mean, for being a Sharperimage made, or a Vornado made Sharperimage, I mean, obviously it's going to be good. I mean, it's a Vornado after all. And overall, I think it's a really good fan. If you're looking for something that makes really good white noise and blows quite a bit of air and just looks good, I highly recommend this Sharperimage Vornado Spin 12 oscillating table fan. Thank you so much for watching.